Hey everyone, it's Show here. Today I'm sharing one of the most exciting milestones in my trading journey. How I made my first $100. It wasn't just about money. It was about lessons, the disciplines, and the psychological battle I overcame to get there. So stick around because I will also share actionable tips to help you on your trading journey. Like many of you, I started trading with a big dreams and a little knowledge. I thought if other can do it, why not me? But let me tell you, trading isn't easy. It's a mental game as much as it is about understanding the market. My journey begins with forex trading. I spent weeks watching videos, reading blogs, and practicing on a demo account. One thing became clear: successful trading requires two things: a strong strategy and even a stronger psychology. Without mastering both, you are setting yourself up for failure. I remember my first few trades. I had $100 and I thought, let's double it as it fast. But that's when reality hit me. My first trade were disaster. Not because my strategy was bad, but because I let my emotions take over it. I entered trade out of greed and exited out of fear. I realized I wasn't just fighting the market, I was fighting myself. Here an example. I entered a trade on Euro USD thinking it was a perfect setup. But as soon as market moved slightly against me, I panicked and closed the trade, only to see it reverse in my favor later. Then when I knew I had to work on my psychology. Let's talk about a first step: understanding the basics. Before I made my first $100, I focused on learning the fundamentals: support and resistance level, trend lines, and a price action. If you are new to trading, don't rush into a live trading without this foundation. It's like trying to drive a car without knowing how to on the car. I started backtesting strategies and journalizing my trades. This helped me to spot the patterns in the market and patterns in my behavior. For insights, I noticed I would overtrade after a loss, trying to win it back. The mindset cost me more than money. It drained my confidence. The turning point came when I shifted my focus from chasing profit to managing risk. I decided to trade with smaller position and stick to a strict rule: 5% risk per day and always use a stop loss. This wasn't just a technical adjustment, it was a psychological shift. I learned to think long term. Let me tell you, 90% of trading success is psychology. Here are few psychological traps I learned to avoid. FOMO, jumping into trades without a plan. You have to make plan before taking any trade. Second one, impatience, expecting quick result instead of letting the trade pay out. And third, revenge trading, trying to recover losses by taking impulsive trade. If you have faced this, trust me, you are not alone. The key is to stay disciplined and focus on the process, not the outcome. Now let's talk about the trade that changed everything. I spotted a XAUSD setup where the price was testing a strong resistance level. I waited patiently, no rushing, no second guessing. When the breakout happened, I entered with a small position, keeping my stop loss and take profit level clear. After some time, I started trailing my stop loss to increase my profits and not getting any loss. This time, I didn't let fear or greed control me. The trade played out exactly as I planned. And I made my first $100 profit. That moment felt amazing, not because of money, but because I followed my strategy and trust myself. The first $100 taught me the power of discipline and patience. It's easy to let emotion take over when you see red or green numbers on the screen. Successful trading is about staying calm and stick to your plan, even when it's hard. My advice for new trader is simple. Start small. $100 account is more than enough to learn. Focus on the processes. Learn to manage your emotion because the market will test you again and again. And hey, if you're struggling with a psychological of trading, let me know in the comment. I would love to make a video diving deeper into a market psychology and how to overcome the mental challenge of trading. Your mindset is the most important tool you have. Let's master it together. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more trading insights and strategies. See you in the next one.